Social Care Wales has lots of useful information and resources to support social care employers. To help you access what you need, we've put everything together in one place, the Employer Offer web pages. The Employer Offer acts as a gateway to essential information, organised into 3 main areas. The first area is regulation, bringing together resources to support you to meet your regulatory duties. Here, you'll find the codes of professional practice for social care workers and employers. These set the standards for people working in social care and are central to the delivery of good care and support. You can manage your own and your staff's registrations through SCW Online. You can access the register to check a worker's registration to make sure they meet the requirements to work in social care in Wales. If you need information about the Fitness to Practice process or want to make a referral, you'll find everything you need on our website. There are lots of resources to help you support your workforce. Whether you're a learner, manager or employer, you'll find guidance on qualifications to help you along the way. The We Care Wales website has useful information to support attraction, recruitment and retention of staff in social care. There's also a jobs portal where you can advertise vacancies for free. There's a wealth of information to support well-being, including resources covering mental, physical and financial well-being. We also have a role in helping you to improve your services. We host events and training sessions online and in person across Wales. And we have resources to support you and your staff to use Welsh at work. Our e-learning modules can help you develop your knowledge about a variety of topics, including safeguarding and strengths-based practice. The Insight Collective website is where you can explore developments in research and innovation and access social care data. You can join in conversations with others across Wales through our online communities. This is just a snapshot of what we have available, and we're always adding more. So check out the Social Care Wales website to find out more about the Employer Offer. Start exploring today and discover how we can support you and your workforce.